clothing industry is projected to reach 77 billion by 2026. Therefore, it's a good time to start your own clothing line. Many online marketplaces cater to the second-hand clothing and accessories market. Here are a few examples. Like Tradisy specializes in women clothing and bags, shoes, and accessories. Etsy, an excellent marketplace to sell unique, handmade, or vintage items. Rebel sell designers' clothes and accessories, or this second-hand luxury online retailer. Drop, drop. It's the yeah that's Depop, a popular platform for selling vintage and designer goods like pre-loved T-shirts, sneakers, and jewelry. Other than clothes and accessories, make money online by selling other used items such as furniture, gadgets, sports equipment, and cars. In the United States, the used car market grew significantly in 2021 and is predicted to remain strong in 2022. Some of the best online selling sites for used items include eBay, a popular choice for various types of products, including collectibles and vehicles. Gadget Salvation focuses on used gadgets like laptop, phone, and other other electronic accessories. Facebook Marketplace, ideal for targeting local buyers. River, an excellent site to sell new and used musical instrument and gear. Fat Llama, a marketplace for leasing items instead of selling them. 8. Sell school notes. Selling copies of school notes is one of the easiest way for a student to make money fast. However, make sure you aren't committing or plagiarism or academic misconduct by selling school notes. For example, do not disclose assignment or test and avoid disturbing copyrights material. The safest best bet is to sell notes containing general but insightful information about a subject such as modules, flashcards, and study guides, etc. Be careful not to present your notes as fact since they are supplementary study documents. Aside from student or alumni message boards and community forums, here are some of the best places to make money online by selling school notes. Nexus Notes, they offer a 50% commission per note sell. Note exchange, sell notes for $5 to $40 and earn a 100% commission if you become an affiliate. Notes Gen, with 5.5 million users, this India-based platform accepts handwriting notes and presentations. Size study notes go for 1,000 to 100 to 1,000 INR. One class earn up to 20% of recurring revenue when someone describes to your content, which each subscription cost around 1.82 to $24. Carry out micro jobs. To make extra money, try micro jobs. As a micro job is short-term temporary job that pays per task completed. Earning a vary from a few cents to $50 task on average. Micro jobs are a good way to make quick cash. Some micro jobs are only take less than an hour to complete, giving people the freedom to do multiple tasks in their spare time. They are great for freelancers, for new graduates and college students because they can help you gain experience